Cybersecurity is about keeping your information safe online. This information can be anything from your name and address to your credit card numbers and passwords. Just like you lock your front door to keep your home safe, you need to protect your online information. Cybersecurity is like a digital lock for your online life. It's important to remember that everyone is at risk. You don't need to be a computer expert to be a target. That's why understanding the basics of cybersecurity is so important. We live in a digital world. We use the internet for everything from banking to shopping to staying in touch with friends and family. All of this online activity creates opportunities for criminals. They can steal your information, access your accounts, and even damage your computer. Protecting your information online is crucial. Taking steps to improve your cybersecurity can help you avoid becoming a victim of cybercrime. There are many different types of cyber threats, but some of the most common include malware. This is software designed to damage or disable your computer. It can be spread through email attachments, malicious websites, or infected software. Phishing. This is a type of scam where criminals try to trick you into giving them your personal information. They might send you an email that looks like it's from your bank or a trusted company, asking you to click on a link or provide your account details. Hacking. This is when someone gains unauthorized access to your computer system. Hackers can steal your information, install malware, or even take control of your computer. Knowing about these common threats is the first step in protecting yourself. Here are a few simple things you can do to improve your cybersecurity. Use strong passwords. Your passwords should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Be careful what you click on. Don't click on links in emails or on websites that you don't trust. Keep your software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that can help protect your computer from attacks. Use a firewall. A firewall is a type of security software that can help protect your computer from unauthorized access. Be aware of social engineering. Criminals may try to manipulate you into giving them personal information or access to your accounts. Be cautious about what information you share online and be wary of suspicious requests. By following these simple tips, you can make yourself a much harder target for cyber criminals. Remember, staying safe online requires constant vigilance and awareness.